So to solve this quadratic equation, which is 3x square minus 2 under root 6x plus 2 equals to 0, first we shall split the middle term, which is minus 2 under root 6x into two terms alpha and beta, such that alpha plus beta will be minus 2 under root 6x and alpha into beta would be the remaining product of remaining terms, which is 3x square and plus 2, which is 6x square. So if I take value of alpha equals to minus under root 6 and beta equals to minus under root 6, then alpha plus beta will be minus under root 6x plus minus under root 6x will be minus 2 under root 6x, and alpha into beta would be minus under root 6x into minus under root 6x, which would be 6x square. So here I can see that the value of alpha and beta satisfy the condition alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. So I can say that we can split 3x square minus middle term into two terms under root 6x minus under root 6x plus 2 equals to 0, or I can say from here, if I take under root 3x common, I will get here 3 under root 3x minus under root 2x, under root 2, and if I take under root 2 common from here minus under root 2 common from here, it will be under root 3x minus under root 2 equals to 0. So I can write it as under root 3x minus under root 2 multiplied by under root 3x minus under root 2 equals to 0, or I can write it as under root 3x minus under root 2 whole square equals to 0. Now we know that if a square equals to 0, then a would be 0. So I can say under root 3x minus under root 2 would be 0 and x would be under root 2 by 3. So here we have one repeated roots. So the roots of the quadratic equation will be under root 2 by 3 and under root 2 by 3. So we have repeated roots here.